In 2025, budget cameras have become capable companions for everyday creators, travelers, students, and budding vloggers. The best entry-level models now deliver solid 1080p to 4K video, competitive still image quality, and useful features like flip screens, Wi-Fi connectivity, and beginner-friendly shooting modes. This review compares 5 budget options across a price range of roughly $83 to $120, evaluating image quality, autofocus behavior, handling, battery life, and feature sets relevant to entry-level use cases such as travel vlogging, spool projects, and social media content creation. Product number 1. Kodak PixPro Friendly Zoom FZ45-BK 16 megapixel. The PixPro FZ45-BK delivers a compact all-in-one package with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, 4x optical zoom, 27mm wide-angle, and 1080p video recording. It uses a traditional compact form factor with a 2.7-inch LCD and includes built-in Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI outputs. With the price near $119.99, it sits at the premium end of this budget set, offering a straightforward point-and-shoot experience aimed at travelers and casual creators who want quick sharing and simple operation. Performance-wise, the FZ45 relies on digital image stabilization and contrast detect autofocus, which keeps focus adequate for everyday scenes but may hunt in low light or fast action. The fixed 27mm equivalent lens provides a relatively wide field of view, useful for vlogging and travel shots, while the 16-megapixel resolution suits social media posting and small prints. Product number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 combines a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with the familiar DSLR form factor and the 18 to 55mm kit lens, offering reliable image quality and a robust ecosystem. It features built-in Wi-Fi, a 9-point AF system, and an optical viewfinder, making it a strong option for beginners who value legacy controls and battery life in a compact DSLR package. While price is not explicitly listed, it targets budget-conscious buyers who want a true DSLR experience with broad lens compatibility and established Canon service. Performance-wise, the T7 delivers solid stills and Full HD video, and its Digic 4 Plus processor contributes to predictable color rendering and responsive menus. The 9-point AF system is serviceable for learning photography basics, though it trails modern mirrorless offerings in autofocus tracking and subject detection. Product number 3. 5K digital camera for photography. Aliexpress markets a feature-rich, entry-level mirrorless-style camera with an 80-megapixel still resolution and 5K video capability, plus a dual-screen design, 3.5-inch main, 2-inch front self-view. It includes an 18x digital zoom, a 64GB card, 2 batteries, and a USB-C hub for charging and live webcam use. At $99.99, it stands out for creators who want self-framing versatility and live streaming readiness without a dedicated computer or external rig. Performance-wise, the 5K by 80-megapixel claims imply aggressive processing for static framing, while the 18x digital zoom can extend reach without changing lenses, albeit at the expense of detail and noise. The dual-screen feature is a standout for solo creators, enabling precise composition without an external monitor. However, the absence of interchangeable lenses and a modest native sensor size could limit low light performance and creative control.
Product number 4. 4K digital camera for photography autofocus. The Duluvalu DC101 is pitched as an entry-level 4K camera with autofocus, a 3.0-inch 180-degree flip screen, and a 16x digital zoom. It ships with a 32GB card, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a full accessory kit, targeting teens and beginners who want a complete, travel-ready bundle. At $82.99, its price is the most aggressive in this lineup, trading some high-end features for value and practicality. Performance-wise, the DC-101 emphasizes ease of use with a fixed lens and digital stabilization. The 4K video resolution is appealing for aspiring creators who want crisply rendered footage for social media, while the 80-degree flip screen makes selfies and vlogging straightforward.
Product number 5. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R100 is an entry-level mirrorless option featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, RF mount, and 4K video support. With the RFS-1845mm kit lens, it markets a compact, lightweight path into Canon's RF ecosystem, aided by dual-pixel CMOS AF and up to 143 AF zones. It targets creators who want modern autofocus, 4K capability, and a small, portable body at a budget-friendly price. Performance-wise, the R100 benefits from Canon's Digic 8 processor and dual-pixel AF, delivering reliable face and eye detection and smooth autofocus in both stills and video. The 4K upscaling at limited frame rates up to 24 FPS suits casual production and social media, while high-speed 1080p at 60 FPS provides flexibility for slow motion and action. The lens kit supports IS for steadier handheld footage, and the overall system is scalable with Canon's extensive RF and EF lens lineup.